welcome back to my channel, guys. So for today's recipe, as you can see by the title, I am doing some honey jerk Cornish hens. And for this recipe here, I have 2 Cornish hens that I have washed and I have patted dry. I used lemon juice. Here I have salt, pepper, garlic powder. I also have chicken seasoning, smoked paprika. I have some dry parsley as well. And I have this. And I'm using this as well, ginger, garlic, pimento. I really love the taste of it. I'll be using Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, the mild. Here I have some raw honey. And of course my olive oil. Let's get right into the recipe. So I'm starting by mixing the dried seasonings together, followed by the jerk seasoning, olive oil, and guys, I almost forgot my main ingredient, my green seasoning. Next, I'm going in with my raw honey. Now in here I have potato, I have carrots, I have green onion, bell peppers, I also have seasoning pepper, thyme, I have onion and garlic. If I miss anything, I will put it in the description box. And I have salt, pepper, and chicken seasoning on there. Just giving it a light toss. And these will be layered on the bottom of the pan. And I save this last bit just to rub on it when I put it on the tray. So the chicken is all seasoned. Into the oven it goes. Initially for about 30 to 35 minutes. And then we're gonna baste it and put it back into the oven. And the total cooking time should be 50 minutes to 1 hour. So guys, it's been about 40 minutes. Doesn't have that much longer again before it is done. Should be done in about 15 to 20 minutes. So back into the oven it goes for 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll show you guys how it looks in the end. So the honey jerk Cornish hen is all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and you like my content, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, or comment. And I do look forward to seeing you guys tuned into my next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.